Oo.
Para di masayang ang ticket aning mga nananaw dire.
Oh, the first possession. Talio, swing it to Imperial for 3. It's
Pass it to Luz.
nice decision there to,
Pass
reset
it
the
to
play.
Luz. Labuyo with a good defense. Imperial for 3 again.
Nice penetration here. Kick out to Imperial. Another 3-pointer. Talio to Imperial. Imperial for 3. 2 points. Imperial with a 3.
Here's Mactalio. Open shot to Bravo. Bravo for 3. And he hits. Correction, it's Shaquille Imperial. Now Talio asking for a screen. Corner pass to Imperial.
10 seconds to work with. That's Imperial for 3. Talio back to Imperial. It's an open jumper. It's good. Imperial shoots the 3. Kicks out to Imperial for 3.
There. Talio with the crossover. Imperial drives the ball. Good defense by Laguyo. Now Brigondo hits for a Marlo Puno, but he cannot finish. Sayang. Good pass inside.
Nice pass there to Inzuzi. Imperial, he drives. Drop pass to Brigundo. What a play. Imperial loses the ball momentarily. Imperial, nice find there to now lose. Imperial to Talio with a left-handed and offensive rebound for the Cobras to Racho. Racho short jumper.
No question that this is a big team.
boy inside.
Good ball rotation and good energy on defense in order for them to, look for Brigondo inside. Finds Brigondo inside and a good pass and a last 2 minutes of the ball game. Shaquille in the corner.
The big boy.
Talio kicks out to Imperial. Imperial drive sidestep. Molina open. Imperial drives. Kick out to Rancho for 3. Yes! Imperial drives. Drop pass to Brigundo. Brigundo! Imperial up board to Talio. Talio underneath. Wow. That's Imperial. Nice drop pass to Inzuzi. Talio, no good. Ball ends up with Imperial. Nice pass to Talio. Side step, left-handed layup is good. Barte, floater, yes. Nice move.
And another steal by Imperial. Imperial with a free.
No
Too
good.
far. It's a long three.
Imperial, nice hesitation. At that time, Imperial ends up with the ball. Imperial, what a
What a
spin
move!
move! Loose to Racho, corner jumper. Racho, no good. Rebound by Imperial, and Imperial with a... And we are now tied 58 all. And a steal here by Imperial.
For the Cobras. Another steal by Imperial. Imperial for the finish and one. Puerto finds Paghaysian. Another steal by guess who? It's Shaquille Imperial.
Shot.
And a good finish.
Nice,
Oh,
nine.
Redondo. Good looking. Wow, outlet pass to Imperial. And an easy 2 points. And just like that.
With 5 points now. And a
Oh,
steal here.
steal.
So that's Pastias boy there
Yeah,
playing
Pastias
basketball.
boy. Whoa, what a move by the man from China.